Number 6 asks us to find the product. So we have a binomial squared here. Please understand that x squared can be expanded to just be x times x. So we're going to expand the x7 squared into its two parts. So x plus 7 times x plus 7. Here, now we can just distribute or use the area model. X times x becomes x squared. Then x times 7 is 7x. The 7 times x here is a 7x, and the 7 times 7 becomes a 49. Notice that the two middle terms here are like terms. They add up to 14x. Bring everything else down. X squared plus 14x plus 49. Let's expand out the 7x minus 3 squared. We have 7x minus 3 times 7x minus 3. We can now distribute. The 7 times the 7x becomes 49x squared. 7x times negative 3 becomes negative 21x. Then we have the negative 3 times 7x becomes negative 21x. And then we have the negative 9. The negative 3 times negative 3 becomes a positive 9. The two middle terms here are like terms, which becomes negative 42x. Bring everything else down, 49x squared, and then the plus 9. So your final answer is 49x squared minus 42x plus 9. Let's expand the 4x minus y squared into 4x minus y times 4x minus y. The 4x times the 4x becomes 16x squared. The 4x times the negative y becomes negative 4xy. The negative y times 4x becomes negative 4xy. And then the negative y times negative y becomes a positive y squared. So the middle terms here add up because negative 8xy. Bring everything else down. 16x squared minus 8xy plus y squared. That would be the final answer. Okay, so that is how we find the product between a binomial squared.